A man who once worked as a garbage collector became one of the greatest actors in the world. His name is Denzel Washington, and these are the lessons that built his success. You pray for rain, you better be ready to deal with the mud too, because success never comes clean. Luck is not magic. Luck is when opportunity shows up and you are prepared for it. Be proud of where you come from, but never let your past define your future. Your background is only a chapter, not the entire story. A real role model isn't someone you see on a screen. A real role model is someone you see every day, someone who teaches you by example. What scares me the most is not failure. What scares me is wasting the abilities I've been given. Procrastination, laziness, those are the real enemies. Life is simple. You get a part, you play the part. You play it well. You do your work and you go home. Because once the work is done, it belongs to the people. Success doesn't start at the top. I've worked in factories. I've been a garbage man. I worked in the post office, and that really wasn't that long ago. That's why I still see myself as just a regular guy. But one person changed my life forever. My mother. She never gave up on me. Even when I messed up in school, even when teachers sent me home, she set me right back. That belief changed everything. So remember this, if you're going to do something, do it with excellence. If you make a cup, make the best cup possible. Focus on the work, not the applause, because talent alone is not enough. Opportunity matters, but when opportunity finally comes, you better be ready.